Hey guys, welcome back to VL InfoTech. This is Python W3 School Series Day 19. In yesterday's video, we already seen Python string built-in methods. In that, we have so many built-in methods and we started one by one with the example. So, in yesterday's video, we have seen two built-in methods. So, open W3 Schools and click on Python strings and click on string methods. Now scroll down. Yesterday in video, we have seen capitalize method and case fold method by using examples. In today's video, we will see center method and count method. Center method returns a centered string. So we will see this centered method by using example. So click on that, open in new tab. Now Python string center method. We will see this example. Print the word banana taking up the space of 20 characters with banana in the middle. So here text is a variable and we are assigning banana as a text. Banana is a string. Here x is a variable and we are assigning txt dot center 20. So by we are using center method. 20 is a parameter. So after that we are printing x value. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. So here txt.center 20. Banana, how many letters we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So banana in the middle and here some space and here some space. If we minus 6 from 20, we are getting 14. So 7 spaces, 7 spaces. In front of banana, 7 spaces. After banana, 7 spaces. In the center, we are getting banana. This is the use of center method. Now we will see definition and usage. Center method will center align the string. So, for example, if banana is the string and by using center method, we are aligning that banana string in the middle. And we are passing parameter how much space we want before and after we are assigning that parameter to that built-in method called center method. Using a specified character, space is default as the fill character. So here what it is telling, we are giving center method when the string like for example banana and we are passing 20, 7 spaces and 7 spaces in the middle we are getting banana. Like this we are getting space by default. Now syntax. What is the syntax? String dot center length comma character. These are both are parameters. Length comma character both are parameters. Here parameter values. We are passing parameters. So length is one parameter. It is required. The length of the return string. By using this center method, we should specify that length of the return string. And character parameter, it is optional. The character to fill the missing space on each side. Default is space. If we want to give any character to fill that, we can give. Otherwise, default is space. That's why in the previous example, we got the default value as spaces before and after banana. Now we will see this example practically using the letter O as the padding character. So here we are using characters O. Here text equal to banana and again we are using this banana string as a character string and we are assigning that string to txt variable. Now x equal to txt dot center of 20 comma 0, 0 or O, for example O. So we are passing parameters length equal to 20 and character equal to O. And after that we are printing x value. So we will see this example practically. Now click on try it yourself. Now see the output. Here 7 O's, after that banana and after banana again 7 O's. In this way, we are getting. If we didn't give any O, if we didn't pass any character value, then we simply get default spaces. 7 spaces, banana, 7 spaces. In this way, we are using center built-in method in Python. This is the concept of center method. Now we will see count method. Now click on that so that it will open in new tab and close this. Now open count. Count returns the number of times a specified value occurs in a string. So we will see these examples practically. For example, return the number of times the value apple appears in the string. For example, txt is a variable and we are assigning I love apples. Apple are my favorite fruit. So here txt equal to txt x equal to txt dot count apple. Here count will give how many number of times that apple is repeated. Now print x. We will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Now here it is counting apple. So here we have and here also we have. So count is 2. In this way it is counting that value in that given string. Now we will see definition and usage. Now count is a built-in method which returns the number of times a specified value appear in that string. So here we have to pass parameters. So syntax string dot count value comma start comma end. Here parameter values and value is a required parameter, a string, the string to value to search for. So in that given string, what is the value we are searching for, we are looking for, we are looking to count. So that value should be mandatory field, mandatory parameter. And start parameter, it is optional. From, if for example I love apples, apple is my favorite fruit. So from where we have to start from searching and where we have to end searching. So these are the start and end. These are two or optional parameters. An integer, the position to start the search, default is 0. If it didn't give any value, then default is 0. And end, it is also optional. An integer, it is an integer value. It will provide index value. The position to end the search, default is the end of the string. So if we didn't specify any end of the string, it will consider end of that string. We will see this example. Again, taste equal to I love apples. Apple are my favorite fruit. X equal to txt dot count apple. Here starting is 10, 10th position, and ending is 24. Till that start and end only it will search. Now click on print X. Now we will see this example practically. So click on try it yourself. Now see. From 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It is searching from here to 24. So in the middle we have only 1. So it is giving 1. In this way we have to use count method. In this video today we have seen center method and count method. I hope everyone understands this topic. If you have any questions, please comment down below. In tomorrow's video, we will see encode built-in function, built-in method, ends with built-in method. I will continue this series until we do all these exercises, all these concepts. We have more concepts like we have Python booleans, operator, list, tuples, sets, dictionaries, if else, loops, for loops. We have lambda function. We have so many things to do. So we will see all the examples, all the concepts one by one. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. I will see you in the next video. Until then,